Hello, I'm Dr. J, and this is the Volatility Sonar Report. The reason it's so important for you is this is like a heartbeat for the market, folks. It tells you whether or not we expect the market to go up higher dramatically or down lower dramatically. As VIX moves up, they're expecting dramatic moves. As VIX moves down, that means volatility is going to be more stable. The markets are going to be more stable. Here's today's report.
Welcome, this is your Option Monster Volatility Sonar Report. From the floor of the CBOE, this is Jamie Tyrrell of Group 1 Trading. Well, it seems the bear is back. We are really moving downward. We moved down through the 900 barrier and the S&P 500 because all of the news that hit this morning was bad. Oil prices are up, foreclosures also up, retail sales down. We are down more than 2% on the S&P 500, trading around 888 right now. What's interesting is that the VIX really isn't getting too much of a pop. We've moved the front month future from 32 to 33, but a 2% day is about what you would expect out of the S&P 500 at the 32 vol level. You'd expect a 2% move every 3 days or so. So this sort of volatility is consistent with 32 vol, and that's what we're seeing. The market's keeping the VIX right around here, right around 33 vol. We've had a number of trades today in the VIX, all involving 12.5 cents. The big trade in the front month was somebody buying some upside protection. They were buying the May 35, 37.5 1x2 call spread for 12.5 cents. So they're buying that 35 call, selling two 37.5 calls to finance it. They paid 82.5 on the 35 call, sold each of those 37.5 calls for 35 cents. So they'll get their protection between 35 and 40 on this. So if we move up to 36, 37, those are good areas for them. They hit their height of profit at 37.5, and then those two short options start kicking in, and they start going negative money anywhere above 40. So that was the 1x2 spread. The crowd sold that. A lot of people maybe closing out some line risk in the crowd market makers. A lot of reasons some people wanted to sell that spread, whereas the customer wanted to buy it. The other big trade, $1.12.5, the July 45 calls. These last few days, we've really had buyers coming for upside calls, June and July. We had the 47.5s yesterday, the 47.5s in June the day before. But today, the big customer was a seller for $1.12.5. They sold 15,000 July 45 calls. So a little move to deflate that upside curve. People taking thinking less chance of a big pop towards July. This is Jamie Tyrrell with Group 1 Option Monster.